channel, and if you're new here, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on another video like this one. And welcome back to Creative World of Lila. I'm actually just watching one of my videos right now. So today, if you saw the title, I'm going to be looking through my slime thing and that. So yeah. First, let's go from the outside. Obviously, there's Blue Razzie. Next, if you saw my last video, my cat got stuck in a drawer. So go ahead and watch that if you haven't already. And tell your friends about my channel, because I'm still a new coming channel. Since I only have like 6 subscribers. Oh, well. What's up with this slime? It's not slime. Yeah, I'm not. Okay. Let's see, what's this one? Looks different. I can't open it. Okay, let's see. Oh, actually, this one's not a bad one. Or it's too bad, at least. It's not the clickiest. It's not the stretchiest either. It doesn't really stretch. And it's a mix between 3 slimes. I think it's the birthday cake, the fruit punch, and my kinetic sand one that I threw away. And they aren't mixing, so yes, that one was a fail when I made that. Okay, let's go back to the top. This one's one of my newer slimes I set up with. I actually made it yesterday, but I might as well still show you guys. Okay. Okay, so it is a icy. It's a really wet icy. Doesn't really click. Not too bad. And then I have a big version of that one. Right here, it's the same. Then I have my black slime, which is one of my personal favorites. I love it. It's so nice. And I'm thinking about this summer I'm going to get a homemade fidget shop and then a slime shop. I don't know for sure, so it's a maybe. Don't get your hopes up too much. And if you're in future, if you're just high future me, if I have a slime shop, cool. And it would get money to make better videos. Actually, this is not too bad of a slime. I love this one. I'm gonna play with that off camera for sure. Okay, next is this one. I think this was mixing 3 of my favorite slime video. Oof, you could tell this one did not turn out how it was expected. Oh. Do I even have to play with this? Like, it's not even slime. Well, actually, no, this is not one of my, this is one of my failed cloud creams I've tried making. See, it says cloud on it. That means it's one of my failed cloud creams. This was from mixing 3 slime video. Oh, wow, this is shut. Ew. I can't even play with that. Might have to throw some of these away. Then the last slime that's up here is my water slime. You might have seen in some of my other videos. I like it. It's a lot. really cool. Oop. Sorry. Okay. Let's see what's in here. First thing. Oh, I found some instant snow. Or I think that's plastic snow. Okay, I found some plastic snow. I found one of my weird containers and one of the Nerf things. Found some of the gloss and a ton of beads. So let's put those, actually, let's just keep those in there. And then this is one of my favorites. There's a ton of containers. So now you get to watch me put it all back in order. Because there's not too much I'm throwing away. Okay, this one goes there. This one goes there. This one goes there. This one goes there. This one, I guess, could go there. And there. Okay. And I got this when I was super little, so. And you guys probably already know what this giant icy slime is here. Well, I don't know if it's kind of like an icy cloud slime. Okay. Final thing I have to do today is check my mailbox for mail. Let's see what if the mailman brought anything for today. Hey, Carl. Baby kitty's trying to fit in there. You won't fit. I'm sorry. No, Carl, you won't fit. Yeah, who's your good kitty, baby? Who's my baby kitty? No, I'm sorry. Who's your good boy, though? Okay, let's see. The mailman brought me, some change. I'm a coin collector, by the way, guys. Then, a new slime. Yep, today is Thursday. And it comes Monday through, it just comes every day. But no holidays. And wait, is today Thursday? Yeah, today's Thursday, and guess what? Tomorrow I have my race. Last time, by the way, guys, my race, I didn't win, but I went the fastest driving. I'll tell my dad to record, and I will post it on YouTube, okay? So, yeah, got these two things. It's like a perfume slime. I can tell that's a slime. So yeah, bye.